How to fix TikTok's camera lag. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix camera lag on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes your TikTok app and the camera simply be lagging for several reasons. If you go ahead and try to post a new photo or video and then you try to record something, you simply notice that there is a fair bit of lag. So in order to fix that, there are a couple of things which we can do. The very first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up settings. So just go ahead and launch the settings application. Once you launch settings, go to the option called apps. And as you select apps, I want you to simply go ahead and then search for TikTok. So just go ahead and then look for the option called TikTok and select and tap on it. Once you've done so, come down and select storage. And what I want you to do is to clear the cache files and then clear the data as well, and then tap on the OK button. Once you clear the cache files and data of the TikTok application, now you can come back. And now what I want you to do is come to permissions. Once you come to permissions, you can see the camera option over here. Select it and then make sure it is set to allow. Repeat the same for other options as well. So select files and media, allow the permissions, and go to microphone, allow the permissions, and so on. But the main feature that you want to allow is the camera access. Once you've done so, try to open TikTok and then re-log into your account and see if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, you can also simply check for updates. So open up your Play Store and then search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, just go ahead and then update the app if you see an update button there. So select the update option. Once you update it, most likely it will definitely solve your problem. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.